Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I will show you how can you off your auto rotate screen in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to off this setting, so guys you can off it. And guys, now let's see how to off auto rotate screen in Vivo phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're in my channel and you are watching my video first time. So first of all, go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's see guys. First of all guys, open your phone setting to off this auto rotate screen. After that guys, you can see display and brightness setting in Vivo phone. So guys, click here. After that guys, you can see auto rotate screen. So I will off from here. Guys, now you can check guys, when you will rotate your phone, it will not rotate in your Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to off auto rotate screen in Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Now we will do the next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.